As a car owner, you know it's vital to take good care of your vehicle. You rely on your car to get to work, to go shopping, or to take the kids to school. Regular maintenance is essential because breakdowns are a real headache. But finding a reputable auto repair shop can be time-consuming and stressful. How will you know if they're being honest? Will they invent phantom repairs just to bump up the bill? Will they get the repairs done on time? Are they trustworthy and reliable? Don't put yourself and your car at the mercy of a bad mechanic. Get quality service from a name you can trust.